the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 4 from verse 31 to verse 37. Jesus run out some demon. Then Jesus go down to Capernaum, one town in Galilee, and start to teach the people upon the Sabbath. The way him teach shock them, cause him message sure, say him know what him a talk about. One man with one demon in him, he dey in the Jew them church. Him ball out on the top of him voice, "Cho, Jesus of Nazareth, where you want with we? How come you come to kill we off? Me know who you be. You are the Holy One we come from God." "Keep by your mouth," Jesus say in a one serious voice. "Come out of the man." The demon fling down the man in front of everybody and come out, but never hurt the man. All of the people them shock and say to them one another, "But what is here? Him have the right and the power for other demon to come out of people and then come out." And the news about Jesus spread all about the place. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God